Gusto mo bang magtrabaho as VA? Ito po ay kadalasan pong tinatanggap dito ay medical VA. Yung may related po kayo sa trabaho ng medical. So ito po ang Hello Rach. Ah, ito po ay isang website, online job website na kung saan ay naghahanap po sila ng mga VA na mayroon po silang medical professional. So we are a US-based company seeking trained medical professional based in Philippines. HVAS work directly with our clients to virtually help with their medical office needs. So if you have a related job about medical, so you can apply now. Check their website. Hello Raj. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation of that word, but you can go to Chrome now and search.